Hello everyone, in this session we are going to learn about attributes in AutoCAD. Attributes are specialized text in block definitions used as a generic placeholder for commonly used text. For instance, on a title block you typically have a project name and project number. You can create a title block using attributes so that you are always prompted for project name and project number. When prompted, you provide this information as entries in a dialog box instead of having to manually create the text each time. Okay, we will see in software how to create attributes. Here I will draw a circle and now we will define an attribute. Here are modes. So if you want to invisible the text, click on invisible. I will keep this as it is. Here I will give tag as id, prompt is also id equal to and default is x. Text height I will increase and click OK. Click where you want the attribute and we will create a block. Give the name of block. Okay, pick points. Now select the object. Press enter. Convert to block. Click OK. Here you can edit the attribute. Okay. See, here was XX, now it is edited as 10. Now you can insert the block again and again by editing the text. Okay. See, this is how we can insert the attributes with blocks. Okay, thank you.